Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan food. This time, I'm gonna make fresh uncooked ramen. There are various types of yummy instant noodles, but fresh uncooked ramen noodles are definitely even tastier. I bought a set of ramen with noodles and soup. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, cut mizuna or your favorite vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Grate the garlic. Boil hot water. Warm the bean sprouts. Drain the water from the bean sprouts. Warm the soup. In the product explanation, it says that you put the soup in a bowl, add hot water, and just mix. In that case, you don't boil the soup so that the aroma and flavor aren't lost. But I dare to heat it up by a pot to make the soup hotter. Boil the noodles for 1.5 minutes. If your preference is soft noodles, boil it 2 minutes. Drain the water from noodles. Pour the soup. Loosen the noodles up. Add all the toppings on top of the noodles. Ramen is ready. Let's eat. It's even tastier if you eat the egg dipping in the soup. Add garlic to make it tastier. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thanks for the meal.